Hey guys, welcome to Farm Alarm. I'm Tracy.
I'm Ashley.
We had some friends come in from, actually, I don't know if we want to say they're from California or if they're from all over. So they are actually traveling right now to find their permanent homestead. I'm not sure how many states they're going to be traveling, but they're definitely traveling. We invited them up to our farm, and they got with us yesterday and said, hey, we're going to be at your all's place. Do you have hookups? And we thought, well, you know, honestly, the only hookup that we currently have is the hookup that our schoolie is hooked up to. And so, you know, we're just down the road from a campground, and we thought, well, why not just go ahead and camp here, camp with them, and we'll still take them to our homestead. So how long are you guys into your journey right now? So how long have you been on the road?
We're about
almost 6 months.
6 months.
I think next weekend is 6 months.
And how big is your camper?
So our camper's 27 feet long.
Yeah.
It's 210
square feet. It's really tiny.
I think that qualifies as tiny house.
Yeah. It was kind of a combination of, we've always wanted to travel and go see stuff. And we know we want out of California, and we know we want land, so let's just throw it all into one big epic trip. Go travel, go see the touristy stuff, but also find a new place to live.
Yeah.
So we've been traveling, I think we've seen about half the US now.
Yeah, I've seen your map, and it's filling up.
It is. It's getting
filling up quick. You know, you guys are covering a lot of ground.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah. We're in the greenhouse right now, and these are a black and yellow garden spider, and they're, you know, they look crazy, and you might think, oh, I don't want those around me, but so instead of having a greenhouse, come out here, turn the lights on, and turn it back off, and we've got this timer.
He likes you guys, he doesn't like me.
Well, hello. There you go, pour it in there. There you go. Good job. Nope. Go ahead and eat that.
We're going on a hayride with the Hollars.
Yeah!
Hayride time!
What do you think? Is this fun? Do you like Missouri? Yeah, that's what it's called, Lake Henry. Yep, the railroad tracks run right through there.
There's more of a path through. That's awesome. But there are several caves on the property.
Wow. That's awesome.
As fresh as it gets right here.
Right? Can't get much better than fresh corn.
Did you have fun on the hayride today? Yeah. Did you get to drive the tractor?
Yeah.
Well, we finished up our farm tour and we are hot and sweaty, and now we are making supper. They treated us last night with barbecue chicken. We are treating them tonight with deer steak and squash.
I feel like the scales are a little bit tipped tonight. I really have liked seeing how different people do their farms in different ways. It's very interesting and encouraging. You guys, maybe not as much space as some of the other people, but you guys are doing so much more with the space you have than some of the places we've been. It's really cool.
We got some pear wood off of a pear tree that we found.
We're gonna edit that out.
Yeah, it's been a long, tiring day. We just start falling over randomly.
Look at that. Oh, wow. And you make all this?
Yes.
Oh, man.
Did you guys have a good time today?
Oh, we
had
had
a
a
blast.
great time. Thank you.
A lot of fun.
You can't get a better tour than a hayride through the countryside. I mean, that was awesome. And just everything.
That's the kind of tour that you can't pay good money to get a tour.
Oh
like
yeah, that was great. I think it was a great way for you guys to really show off this area.
Right, right, yeah.
To see
You know,
it.
I was really hoping that, you know, they would fall in love with the area, because, you know, it's so beautiful, and, you know, we live here, and so sometimes I think that Ashley and I probably take it for granted, you know, and with the bluffs and the rolling hills, and I mean, to me it's just beautiful. And I told you guys the other night, if there was one place that, you know, where's your dream place to live, and as I said, it's right here.
Yeah.
If there was one place I could live, it would be right here.
This is beautiful. Right? It's really beautiful. We were inside talking about it earlier, and he said it looks like the parts of California that we love.
Yeah.
Just the hills and the trees and all that. It's just gorgeous. Before we leave, it is very important that they put on our Missouri sticker, because we are officially in Missouri now. Woo! So, you get to do the honors, make it really straight. Okay, I know. I've seen how you... Okay. Are you gonna help? Yeah? Okay, ready? There we go! Woohoo!